Hi friends, this is the concluding part of engineering drawings, part 4. We'll be completing the most commonly used lines in engineering drawings or in shop drawings. Let us start. Welcome back to Weld Tech QC, the YouTube channel of Lloyd's Institute of Technologies. My name is Vincent. In our last 3 videos, we have covered the basics of engineering drawings, the important lines used in engineering drawings, and only remaining part is, as far as the lines are concerned, is the break lines, the short break lines and long break lines. So we'll discuss about that now. Now let us go to break lines. Okay, these are two most commonly used break lines, long break line and short break line. Break lines in the drawings are very important, that are used to separate sections for clarity or to shorten a section. Short break lines are denoted by a thick wavy lines. Okay, these are the short break lines, thick wavy lines. And long break lines are used to indicate, these are the long break lines, indicate to that the center section of an object has been removed so that it can be shown on a smaller piece of paper. Okay, when according to a particular scale, if you are drawing a particular object, if you are preparing the drawing, the shop drawing of the particular object, these things are very large. According to the sizes, it will not be fit in the particular drawing. I mean particular paper which in which the drawings are being prepared. So in such cases, you have to show these break lines to ensure that the whole things are shown in the same drawing. But at the same time, the viewer should understand that this actual size is larger than this. In general, the break lines or broken lines indicate that a break has been made in the drawing of an object which is too large. The object must be too large, so it has to cut short to show it in the drawing sheet. So, drawing of an object which is too large to be drawn on the drawing sheet and had to be cut short in order to fit on it. Okay, so that is the purpose of break lines. Okay, while viewing this drawing, you will be able to see all kind of weld symbols here. These are weld symbols. These are not the part of engineering drawings lines. These are weld symbols are given, and about the weld symbols I have given a very good series of videos. You can refer those. It is very useful. Weld symbols interpretation. All type of AWS approved weld symbols are interpreted, explained in a very nice way. You will be able to check those in Weld Tech QC, a series of weld symbols interpretation. You should refer those and understand. Okay friends, I'll be back with another video with another drawing with interpretation. Until then, goodbye. Thanks for watching. See you in the next. Thanks again.